In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Dexscreener. So there's actually no direct way. If I go to Dexscreener over here, as you can see, if I go to menu over here, and then if I go to sign in, and if I choose connect wallet, there will be no way to connect the Coinbase wallet. So if I go to all wallets over here and search for Coinbase Wallet, Coinbase, there we go. As you can see, nothing pops up. However, we can do it via basically connecting the Coinbase wallet to MetaMask first, and then connecting MetaMask over to Dexscreener, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have both MetaMask and your Coinbase wallet installed on your mobile phone, and then you first want to go to your mobile device inside Coinbase Wallet. So you want to click on, in the Coinbase wallet, you want to click at the very top left where it says address 1. And then after you click this, at the very bottom, you want to press add and manage wallets. Once you tap on that, you want to go back into the address 1. So over here, just click address 1. And after you do this, you will have to click show private key, which is down here in the middle. So when you click show private key, you want to enter in your passcode for your wallet. And from here, you want to click allow, and it will basically show you your private key for your wallet. What's very important though is that you don't show it to anyone, because that's a private key and they can steal your wallet if they know it. So make sure you don't show it to anyone. Just basically press allow and click copy. So it will copy your Coinbase wallet private key to your clipboard. Now, once you've done this, you can go back, and then the next step will be inside MetaMask. So open up your MetaMask account. And once you're inside your account, what you have to do is go to the very top where it says account 1, click on it, and then once you click on account 1, you will see this pop up which says accounts, and you want to click add account or hardware wallet. So just tap on that and then press import account, which is in the bottom middle. And then it says paste your private key string over here, and you simply want to paste in your private key string and click import. And once you do this, your Coinbase wallet will be imported to MetaMask. And then the next step is very simple. You just want to go over here back to Dexscreener, and at the very bottom right, as I showed you earlier, you want to click on menu, and then under my account, press on sign in. In case you are signed in with Google, make sure you log out first, and then you want to click connect wallet. After that, select MetaMask, and then it will say continue in MetaMask. And as you can see, it's going to now basically start connecting to MetaMask. You'll get this message over here. And after that's done, you will get a success message. There you go. Basically, it says dexscreener.com wants to, and then you have to grant some permissions. So you just want to click connect. And then you'll have to wait for a few more seconds for this to finish up. And then once that's done, you'll get a success permission. There we go. It says permission updated. And just like that, you've successfully connected your MetaMask account to Dexscreener. As you can see over here, it will say I'm now connected. It says continue in your wallet app. You're still not connected. If it says that, just basically open up your MetaMask account again, and then it will refresh after a few seconds. And like that, you have connected your Coinbase wallet to Dexscreener via MetaMask. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.